Our next speaker is Jennifer Johnson from Visible Market, and she has a mix of both finance and online entrepreneurial experience. So her company is taking a #1 rated iPad finance app and developing enterprise scale applications in visualization for large amounts of data. Jennifer?
Okay. Hi. Is that on? Okay, good. Hi, I'm Jennifer Johnson. I'm the CEO of Visible Market. Visible Market was conceptualized in the summer of 2010, shortly after the launch of the first iPad. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was languishing around 10,000, and sales of Angry Birds were soaring. But there were very few apps in the finance category. We decided this presented an opportunity. Our starting point was how hard it was for the average user to figure out what was going on in the markets. Today's rally might just be a give back of declines from last week. So impossible to keep track of for most people. Yet, 50% of US households are invested in the stock market, and 6 million Americans work in financial services. If there's one thing I can tell you about Visible Market, it's that we completely obsess over user experience. We believe that the combination of portability, the ability to write to the native OS, wireless and 4G access, and mobile touch navigation opens up the possibility to deliver a game quality user experience over a device that can be taken everywhere: home, on commutes, meetings in the office, and on the road. We believe that we can connect users directly with data. I'll show you a video.
Stock Touch is a dynamic, tactile map of the market for iPad and iPhone. Over 25,000 users spend more than 500,000 minutes a month on Stock Touch. Why? Our app was designed for mobile touch. One fluid, zoomable heat map displays 75% of all trading activity, enabling investors to view the equity markets contextually as they unfold. Our technology platform is the first of its kind to apply a game engine to visualize statistical data, which we combined with a proprietary compression technology that transmits information at 20 times the speed of comparable apps. Stock Touch was awarded the #1 iPad finance app by Apple's App Store Rewind 2011. We are building apps for institutional finance, economic indicators, funds, portfolios, and futures. Our mission is to reinvent how financial information is delivered. We see the beauty in data visualization, the merging of art and science. We believe the best map isn't a map at all. It's the actual terrain.
We use every pixel of the mobile device to deliver information. Most approaches use data visualization as the endpoint. We use it as the starting point, so effectively we turn it upside down. Users can gain a broad understanding of what's happening in markets real time in context, and then vertically dive into specific information, statistics, and news about a particular investment, and then zoom back up to the top. Our unassuming screens deliver live market information throughout the trading day. Now, on these screens, you can get access to 4,000 companies and ETFs. That's about 30,000 charts, 50,000 news stories, and 150,000 tiles of heat. We were awarded the #1 iPad finance app of 2011 by Apple's Rewind. We have a bit of a cult following in the iOS community. We have 20 to 1,000 unique users a month that use Stock Touch, and 2,000 to 4,000 unique users use us every day. Device-wise, our users have the latest hardware. 2/3 of our usage is from iPads, and 50% of that usage is from iPad 3s. The general statistics for enterprise are even more compelling when you start to look at them. According to Good Technologies, 36% of enterprise mobile installations are from the financial services industry. And 97% of their tablet and enterprise installations were on iPads. And that's from the first quarter of 2012. So casual mobile gaming doubled the number of US video gamers since 2008, from 56 million to 135 million. And mobile search already overtook desktop search late last year. So mobile usage is really overtaking desktop usage for personal use, and it's leading the way, and business use will rise as the quality of the software improves. So both financial services and the financial information industry is experiencing a lot of change and is under a lot of regulatory pressure, in addition to what's going on in technology. So Visible Market addresses the combined needs of users for mobile access on one hand, and increased transparency for investments. So users gain a better understanding of the information while not getting caught up in data overload. Our client has built an OpenGL to deliver the user experience of mobile games using a 30 frame per second animation. Our data is processed in the cloud on EC2 and S3. I'll give you an example of the relative speed. If you check a quote for a stock on Yahoo's homepage via an HTML browser, you have to load an 800K file. If you check the same quote on StockTouch, that file is 2K. So we have a lot of efficiencies in how we deliver the data, so you can get it quickly on mobile. Our technology is patent pending. We released version 1.6 of StockTouch yesterday, which allows users to create their own personalized visual watch list with the same technology and performance that the StockTouch app has always had. Our team of 7 combines experience in software, algorithmic trading, science, mobile games, 3D animation, and applied mathematics. And I couldn't fit them all in one page. Our goal in the FinTech Innovation Lab was to build a company that supplies the next generation of visual mobile apps to financial institutions. Many companies are pushing into real-time data visualization on the desktop space. We differentiate ourselves by creating standout implementations for real-time data with live updating on mobile. Even though our technology is deployable on Mac desktops and is adaptable to the Windows platform as well. Our platform can make portfolio performance and asset management more understandable. It can be used for really any large statistical data set, particularly for vertical navigation in and out of that large data set. Our software is able, other software may be able to capture and display the image itself, but our user experience is what makes the data navigation insightful, fun, fast, which is really what defines our unique approach. So here's a couple of sample screens about what we have, what we're working on. On the left is a visual market dashboard, and on the right is quick access to fast fundamentals, which maybe might be a little bit dry when you see them in a static way, but when you're able to pull up those information, that information live in context when you see what's happening in the market, it'll make those statistics much more compelling and useful. And that's Visible Market.